Hi, to use Photo Assist on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, first thing we need to do is open Gallery. Now we will need to find photo of a person or people. You just need to select it and tap on those two stars on the top, which is for Photo Assist, which is basically Galaxy AI. So we just need to tap on it, and after that you can also just resize the pic, move it a bit, and then you will need to tap this button Portrait Studio. And after that you would see this square around a person's face. If you got multiple people on the pic, you'll see the squares around their faces as well. You'll need to select one by tapping it, and now you should see those options appear on the right side. So from this picture, from the photo, we can make something like comic, 3D, cartoon, watercolor, or sketch. Let's choose, for example, sketch first. For that, I'm gonna select it, and now all is left is to tap this button generate, and AI will do the work. So let's just wait. And here are the results of sketch. So this looks pretty amazing. Just from usual photo, we got a whole drawing. So if you would like to save any of this drawings, you'll need to tap this save copy like that, and it would be immediately saved. And here you'll see this AI generated content watermark. So let's try this out one more time. But for now, I want to select 3D cartoon, and now let's tap generate. Wow, this is the result of 3D cartoon, and it looks like just unbelievable. This is really beautiful. And here you can see that we can save this copy as well. So let's just save the copy. Let me just select something from the list. They are all beautiful. I want to select this one. This kind of reminds me of Rapunzel. Now let's save this copy. And here it is. So that one was original photo, and this is generated by AI. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.